Welcome to an amazing cooking time. Hi, my name is Esther and you're welcome to Good News Catering and Events. So we're making a special vegetable noodles today. Here are our ingredients: carrots, 1 large egg, 1 tomato and 1 habanero pepper. You can use more depending on how spicy you want it to be, onions and vegetable, and then of course our noodles. I'm going to be using this kitchen equipment to just grate my carrots. I've washed it and I've cleaned up the back. Then I went ahead to cut my tomatoes, my habanero pepper, and also went ahead to dice my onions and then prep everything before we get right into the cooking. So into the pot now I added my noodles. I am using 2 big pack of noodles, and then I allowed it to boil for about 2 minutes, and then I sieved it out and set it aside. In the same pot I added my vegetable oil, added in some onions, and I just fried it to bring out the aroma. Thereafter I added in the tomato and the habanero pepper, and then I stir fried it for a while. Into a bowl, break in your egg, add in some salt, stir it, and then pour it into the tomato sauce and allow it to fry. Now it's time to add in the noodles and stir it together with the egg and the tomato sauce so that it can combine together. I also went ahead to add in some seasoning and then a little drop of water, and then stirred it so that the seasoning that came with the noodles can be incorporated into the cooking. Then I went ahead to add my carrot, stirred everything, and then covered it and allowed to cook for about 1 minute. After 1 minute it is cooked. It is well cooked, and then I stirred it very well. And so guys, our vegetable noodles is ready. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section and I will answer. If you have any question as well, please drop it and I will answer them.